Hello, friends and fans. Welcome back to Egado Getaway. If you're new here, I'm Lena. If you're returning, well, welcome back. Today, I, probably unsurprising to you, have another unboxing video. This one is different simply because I have chosen not to live in excess and buy 50 different things from one location. Although at the same time, it's kind of hard to do that when you're buying and shopping on secondhand sales and everybody is individuals, you know. One of my mates, friends, recently listed a dress for sale on a bunch of the different Facebook sales groups, and I spotted it and asked them to do a hold, and they actually really needed the money, and so they didn't do the hold, but that's okay for me because it didn't end up selling until that date anyway. And then I bought it from them, and I was like, oh, hey, since you're local and I've been wanting to hang out, why don't I just go pick it up from you in person? And COVID is a thing, and COVID in my area is only a thing that gets worse right now. So I kept having to reschedule with my own schedule, and then right now the COVID numbers are so bad, and my friend had a COVID scare, so I ended up just having them mail it. So I've had this package probably for a couple days now, just sitting right here next to me, waiting to be opened. It did come a little beat up, but these poly mailers, it's not broken all the way through. It's just there's a layer of fluff in there, but it's all recycled material. This is the package from the post office. So without further ado, let me figure out how to open this. I'm just gonna pick an end, I think. There we go. And yeah, God, I cannot wait to throw this container out. Oh, now I see the little easy pull tab. That's fine. Okay, so my friend has shipped it, mailed it in a vacuum seal bag, which is allowed, and you guys maybe can get a hint of what this is. I think that the all over print really gives it away. Sorry, I had to eat that plastic. So this is the matching head bow, and I don't remember if it's a full set or not. I don't think it is. Oh wait, it is. There they are. Of course. The socks. I was like, oh, maybe they'll get rid of the bag, and it's the bag. Anyway, and then this is a little bit damaged, I believe. Yeah. But that's okay. I knew about that before I bought it. It's not, the ribbon here, decorative ribbon on the top here is not tied. This is the 2014 release special set of the Crystal Dream Carnival. My mic doing stuff. Anyway, I absolutely have, this is probably my favorite cut and colorway of Crystal Dream Carnival. They did several different releases for this. The original release came in 3 or 4 colors, which is ivory with pink accents, pink with pink accents. I know there was a black one. I think there was also another navy one that was more blue, and this is definitely more teal in color. It is a full back shirred JSK, so I'm hopeful that it will fit me, but I do know that this ran a little bit small. Actually, it looks like it will be small. So this dress is a contender in my mind for an alteration. I have a friend in Sweden who does beautiful work, and I was debating on if I wanted to send them a dress to work on. I think this would be the one, although really it only needs some side inserts, and it has 2 pockets, so the fabric could come from the pockets. I knew that when I got this dress it was missing a button for the waist tie, and it looks like my friend just did a quick whip stitch here to hold the waist tie in place. There is some damage on the shirring panel, maybe from yeah, that's where the waist tie is attached to the shirring panel instead of right on the side seam, which is a little bit odd. So where that button was, it completely ripped the fabric. That is something I can lightly repair. But I got this dress for an okay price considering the damage. It's one of the few things that's been on my like want list. I don't have a lot of things that I need in Lolita anymore. It does have a spare button if I want to take this one off of the tag and use it for the waist tie though. So that is good. Not completely without a spare button. I don't really use the waist ties much anymore, so like I don't really use waist ties much anymore, so I'm just gonna right here snip this like really quick stitching that the person did and take this guy off because there's literally just like 2 stitches holding it together, so I can better see also what the damage is. Yeah, I think I can do a couple of quick stitches just to like reinforce the fabric right here and it'll be good to go. So since this is just a single item I'm unboxing, well, it's a single item, but put that waist tie down. The waist ties are cute. They're simple. It's a special set, so for people who don't know, Angelic Pretty special sets are nice because they come as a set. You get the dress, you get a head bow, oh, and it's a cute little one, and you get socks, matching socks. Now the socks are definitely more of a blue than a teal. My lighting is a little too yellow for it to show up super great. You can kind of see right there how teal it is compared to how blue these are. But I think separated on my legs, it'll be cute. It'll be fine. These socks also look like they have lived a rough life. Some of the gold threads are just like popping out. Kind of see here. And I think, I don't know how they've been washed. Yeah, a lot of the gold threads on here are not looking great. But I'm still excited to have this in my closet. And let's give it a try. There's some beautiful snow outside. And if I don't have a snow coordinates to share with you guys, I will do a separate video with the snow coordinates. So let's get that doing. So I think it's safe to say I'm a pretty big fan of this dress. At 108 centimeter bust, I am definitely maxing out that shirring as much as it can be. Fortunately, I have a 10 centimeter difference between my bust and my waist, and most of my, like enough of my bust measurement is in the front that I can, you know, it's not boob loafing or anything, but it is getting compacted a little bit. I do have a few minimizer bras that I wear a lot. I do feel like the head bow with a wig is a little small, so I, in the video, was wearing something else, but it is nice to just wear a full set. And I chose a white blouse just to match because of the white horses. I wanted to pull that out because I was going to wear the matching socks, and then of course white shoes, surrounded by the white snow. So yeah, I don't really know what else I want to say about the dress. I love it. I, you know, will fix up the little damage that is on the back, and it's not a huge deal breaker for me. Simple, like when you get to the point where, let's see, this dress was released in 2014, so this dress is 8 years old, I think, at this point. It might have been released late 2014, so more like 7, but still, that's a pretty long life for a garment, and considering its age, I think he's doing great. And feel free to check me out on Instagram if you want to see more outfits using like more of my outfits or more coordinates using this dress. I'm working on trying to post more actual outfit shots and not just living in my sweatpants this year. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me for my first unboxing of 2022, and I'll see you next time. Bye!